This is using my own cable, the HDMI cable, which is this, and the screen is all perfect, no flickering, nothing. That's my cable. Now I plug in this new cable that I received. Okay, so that one is plugged in, this cable. Okay, and I connect the other cable. Okay, plugged in. Then see the difference. Nothing. No screen. I changed that to a different port. I'm changing it to a different port now. Oh, come on. Yep, as you can see, no input. HDMI 1, no input. I even plugged into a different port, so the cable is faulty. Bye.